So today we are going to host our website through AWS by installing Nginx server on EC2 instance. So for this you have to open your AWS console home and then go to EC2 instance services and create your EC2 instance. So for this you have to launch instance, give your instance name. I am going to select my operating system as Ubuntu. Create your key pair for connecting your EC2 instance through CMD prompt or MobaXterm. Open this one. It will allow to host your website on web server. You can use your website over the internet, as you can see here, to set up an endpoint, for example when creating a web server. If you have domain, select it, this one also. If you don't have domain, just select it, HTTP traffic from the internet. And now launch it. I'm using here all free trial services for learning purpose. So now as you can see here, our Ubuntu operating system is now running. So let's connect it through a MobaXterm terminal. For this, select your EC2 instance, then go to connect, and now as you can see here, public IP address and your username. It will help you to connect you on MobaXterm, or you can also connect with CMD prompt. So I have copied this already, and I'm going to connect with MobaXterm terminal. Go to session, select SSH, paste it here your public IP, go to advanced setting, use your private key, server, file, and then OK. Login as. You have to type here your username. My username is Ubuntu. So as you can see, my Ubuntu operating system has been successfully connected in my MobaXterm terminal. So first I'm going to update it. Write sudo apt update. It will take some time. Now it has been successfully updated, and then you have to install Nginx server for hosting your website. Right, sudo apt install. Now our Nginx server is also now installed. So for now, check your Nginx server is running condition or not. For this you have to write sudo systemctl status Nginx. So as you can see, our Nginx server is active now, which is running. So now it's time to load our website on Nginx server. So I'm going to download one website. It is a template just for testing purpose. I'm going to download, copy download link. For this you have to type wget sudo wget and then paste your website link. Now you can see our website has been downloaded successfully. Let's extract it. For extracting this file, write sudo unzip, give file name, the file name. So in my Ubuntu operating system there is no zip file installed. For this you have to install unzipper. Write sudo apt install unzip. So now it has been installed successfully. And then unzip my website file, sudo unzip, give file name. So it has been successfully extracted. Let's go inside and check. So here you can see our website files. Now all this file we need to move on my Nginx server in a particular file. So move all this file in Nginx server file, we have to write it sudo mv asterisk. Asterisk means it will move all this file in this folder where www.html. It has been gone in this file. I'm going to check. As you can see, our all these files has been gone into this path. So now here you can see our all file is moved it here in different operating system, and Nginx server file path is different. So for finding your Nginx server path, use grep find command in your operating system. So our website has been successfully hosted into our Ubuntu server. So now check it is working properly or not. For this you have to move your instance and copy this public IP address and search on web browser. So as you can see, our Nginx server has been successfully installed and it's working very well. So this is how you can host your own website on AWS by using EC2 instance services. You can install different types of servers. I'm using here Nginx server. You can use HTTPD also and XAMPP server. There is different type of server. My favorite server is Nginx server, so that's why I'm using here. So thank you for watching.